More and more I read about Sushant Singh Rajput and watched his videos, pictures, some of his movies, award shows, interviews, reviews of his movies. I got to understand him as a person and about his personality type, his nature, behavior, could know him deeply, also his approach towards life, his attitude, his big aspirations, missions for himself and mankind, his vision, his humbleness, his charming, charismatic smile, personality and charm, his aura, a beautiful smile like an innocent small child, his behavior with his fans, with the poor, his glittering, twinkling eyes, that childish nature. What a genuine and lovable human being. Risk taker, flexible, multitasker, multi-talented, deep thinker, different from the rest of the world as if he was an alien. When he visited his hometown, he was meeting and greeting everyone so sweetly. He didn't throw any tantrums. No attitude, so simple and grounded he was. Processed a beautiful mind so intense, do much depth in his thoughts, such big plans, aspirations, and humanitarian concerns for the underprivileged women and children. How he was hiding his emotions, all the hurts behind that beautiful smile, to keep the promise he has given to his mother. Never showed the people who bullied, insulted, and made fun of him that their remarks are hurting him, but rather proved how powerful and generous he was by taking everything gracefully. He could have shown their face and class if retaliated a bit and showed some attitude, but he didn't. He was good orator and had a good expression of his speech, much intelligent in comparison to all actors who couldn't get basic education and failed. We should be aware, and they must know as well, that he could have answered them, insulted and humiliated them and showed them their place if he wanted. But he was so emotional and rather so great that he chose to took all those hurts and not to hurt anybody in return. What a great and big heart he had, and you need to do so. His future plans showed how intense and mature and sharp was his mind, but another beautiful angle and combination, that not a clever and manipulative mind. Often people with such ambitious minds are very clever and manipulative. I felt that he retained that childlike innocence, couldn't get away with his basic nature, didn't let it pollute, though was living in that polluted, selfish, opportunistic world where often people change. The power of his beautiful mind, if astrologically analyzed, the placement of his moon in his horoscope shows his high imaginative power and persona, and depth of his emotional side. His mind, moon is considered Karka of Man or Mastishka. That was the beauty of this man, moon of Taurus. I really feel what an amazing and lucky mother who gave birth to this pure and noble, gentle and angelic soul whom this world couldn't adulterate, who chose to get hurt but never hurt anybody in return. Believe me, I saw the videos which made me cry as I saw him crying and smiling at the same time, and that too publicly in some way. He could not stop hiding his pain behind that beautiful smile, but still was crying. It must have become too difficult for him to go through the pain and hiding it all the time, and you all will understand how difficult it is to hide your pain sometimes, how hard we try. He was so transparent and innocent that he disclosed all the secrets and everything he planned. But how unlucky to get unfaithful friends who were leaking all his plans, which he used to share with his so-called friends. He was surrounded by Astin ke Saaps. How unfortunate. Believe me. He believed everything blindly. Jealousy was the reason behind the envious behavior. His intellect, his mind, his creativity, his charismatic persona, his simplicity and calibers were his biggest enemies. He became a threat to many. Insecurities and losing their importance threatened the survival of many. The reactions were visible in the behavior of all those who insulted, humiliated, and bullied such a noble soul. There are some emotional, simple people on this earth, and often clever people take advantage of their simplicity, humble nature, and bully them. But remember, they also can do the same, but they choose not to. Hence, they are extremely powerful, as it takes lots of effort to do so. Don't take such people for granted. Do not bully anyone. Do not humiliate anyone. If you are in this habit, believe me, you are inhuman, not great. Sushant, I have utmost respect, regard, and love for you. You were angel, an alien, was not fit for this world full of negativity. A lovely human and a pure soul. Remain pure till the end. Nothing could adulterate and take away the beauty and purity of your wonderful soul. I wish we have more and more people like you, intelligent, innocent, creative, humble, and lovable, so that this world become a beautiful and wonderful place to live. Justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. Please express what you think about him. I feel I have lost a brother, a child, someone very much your own. He was people's man. He was a true human being, a real hero, and a true actor, full of emotions and values, not just an entertainer. Beware of false friends in life and always be a true and good friend. Thank you.